The Dean Hood Show is a presentation of ABC 36 Sports. The Dean Hood Show is brought to you by Sonic, Richmond Honda, Chick-fil-A, Pepsi, Golden Corral, Hangers Restaurant, and Jimmy John's.
Welcome to the show. Greg Stottlemyre along with Dean Hood. It feels like we were just in fall camp, and now we're into the final week of the regular season. Dean, it goes fast.
Yeah, it has. It really has flown by.
And so the Colonels face tailgate time again for the final time in the regular season, and it is Tennessee Martin who will be at the stadium this afternoon, and in about an hour and a half for kickoff. Skyhawks are 5-5, Colonels are 6-4. Eastern leads the series 20-1, but Jason Simpson has turned this program around, and last year they got their first win ever over the Colonels. Derek Carr, the quarterback there, with 290 yards passing. They converted 2 third downs in a game-winning drive right there, Dean, with about 5 minutes to go. And not a good second half for the Colonels, and you missed field goals.
Yeah, we missed 3 field goals, and you know, that really hurt in a close ball game, low-scoring ball game.
There's the long one at the end of the ball game that could have tied it. And so Tennessee Martin wins the football game. Final score last year, 10-7. Expect a higher scoring game this year. So let's find out about this year with the coach. Time to go to the Colonel checklist. What are the keys to the game? Key number 1, win the money downs.
Yeah, that's critical. It really hurt us last week. You know, we were 2-15 on third down, and we have got to sustain drives, keep drives going, got to convert offensively on money down, and then we've got to get off the field on defense and do a better job on third down, getting off the field and getting their offense out of there.
Those conversions, 51% in wins on third down, 17% in losses this year. Key number 2 to the win over Martin is stop the run.
Yeah, we haven't, you know, that's something that we've done, you know, really well here, but haven't of late. You know, the last 3 ball games, we've allowed running backs to, you know, put up yards on us, and that's something that we have got to take care of today. All
right, and key number 3 is finish in the fourth. All the losses have been close losses. I mean, there have been many close games this season. Finish in the fourth.
Yeah, you take SEMO and Eastern Illinois out, and every single ball game that we've had, we've either had the ball or been out there playing defense or had some phase of the special teams, you know, out there with a chance to win the football game. So we've got to make those plays.
That is the Colonel checklist for Tennessee Martin in Eastern Kentucky. When we come back, we'll go back to last week. It was a tough loss for the Colonels against Tech.